Hello guys, welcome back. Now, in our last episode, we added the first stage of the control unit, and we said that this circuit basic function is just to allow or to control when the program counter will access the system clock, because by doing that, it's going to address different memory locations inside the static RAM using these addresses, and by doing that, the outputs or what is stored in that memory location is shown in the output. Later in the week, we are going to connect these outputs into the instruction register, and from there we can manipulate it in the control unit. Yeah. So I said that this method has some disadvantages. One of them is this. So the bistable on time. This is the on time. Is what allows the program counter to access the system clock. So if in the first scenario, so this is a clock pulse which is getting the program counter. This is also another scenario. So if the bistable goes on and gets the clock pulses to be many inside that one high signal, it means that the program counter is going to increment maybe 2 times, 3 times, and that does not allow the control unit to execute what you want in that operation. Then in the next scenario, we can get if the bistable on time gets some portions of the clock signal. You can see here it just gets a part of the clock signal, so it can get either a 0 or a 1. If it gets a 0, then it means that the program counter will just sit, doesn't nothing, and that's not what we want. If you get a 1, then that's good, because we just want 1 increment. Yeah, so that's a major disadvantage of this method. That's what I wanted to show you guys today. So this is to remedy this situation, I added a potentiometer here so that I can tune it into the required clock pulse or the speed or the duty cycle of this timer, in order for us to ensure that the program counter will get a high clock pulse every time the bistable allows it to access the system clock. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Next I'm going to explain. We are going to go to the system bus. I've started connecting it. So that's what we're going to talk about tomorrow. So yeah.